I was going to buy one of these damn things, but then I was like, fuck it, I'm going to make it. So this thing is a beehive feeder board for the winter time. I am ahead of schedule here because it is nowhere near winter. And this thing, you put some candy into it and let the bees eat that shit all winter when they don't have a lot of reserves for themselves. So I figured, what the hell, I'll give it a shot and try to make it. Yeah, this thing came out great. Just look at it. You put a big old candy board up, or a big piece of chunk of candy in there, and then the bees come up and they eat it when they don't have a whole lot of other shit left. I can show you here on the hive. You open the top here and get rid of this little thing in there. I'm trying to do this one-handed, so bear with me here. And then you put this thing, it will be full of a hard candy, and you set that right in there. And then you put the top of this thing back on here, and the bees will come up and eat this when they've got nothing left down below for themselves, you know, because they have a bunch of honey left. But when they run out of that, they will eat this candy. And that's how that sits. This is not the hive this will be going on, but that's just to show you. Yeah, buddy, getting ready for the bees' arrival.